Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. I hope you subscribed because there's so much good stuff here. Please hit the subscribe button. Guys, I've been craving Akamu for like a whole week. I was beginning to think something was wrong with the way I was thinking about it, so I decided to go out and just pick the Akamu. The problem with cravings is once I have a little of it, I'm done. So I just remembered that when I was buying and I decided not to buy too much. So this is the raw form when you buy it, especially if you're buying from the road. I just moved that so that I could see that there was nothing, there was no flame. So this is just, I portioned what I want to use into the ceramic bowl and then with room temperature water, not like super cold water, just room temperature. So I'm just breaking this out so that I can get a good smooth consistency that I can use as the base. So you don't want this to be too thick and you don't want this to be watery. Well, for some me, in fact, let me just say when I was recording these videos, the Akamu God smiled on me. I'm telling you, because most times I used to do my mixture and then even when I pour the hot water, it won't like coagulate and I would have to put it again on the flame. But this time around, everything just worked perfectly. So I think getting your mix right is key. So as you can see, I didn't pour this so that you can see the proper consistency that I used to get my own mix. So I added water and then I got here. So basically nothing added, just the akamu that I got. This akamu is made from millet. As you can see, it's not super white and it's not yellow. It's kind of like a cream. When you go to buy, you see they'll arrange like, but I saw three different colors and well that one was too white for me and this is what I'm used to, so I picked this. And I also picked the one that is made with yellow corn, so I'm going to make a totally different video with that. Basically the same thing but just showing you the different color variations. Now this is super hot water. Like literally wasn't breathing when I was doing this. This water is super hot. Like I overboiled it and then I'm pouring it in slowly into the mix because at one point I was praying, God help me. I'm on camera, but then it just worked out well. The water was super hot. I cannot emphasize how hot your water should be, like way over boiling point before you start pouring it into the mix. And then you need to mix slowly. And then when you feel the water has reached a certain level, I don't know, there are just some things I can't really explain. When you feel the water has reached like a certain level, you need to stop pouring and then let the water work in the mix and then you mix again, if that makes any sense. I have no idea. But just make sure that your water is super hot and then you pour and you mix. I don't know the science behind this, but it works. So our pap is done. That is all you need to do. Usually I used to run away from making pap because I felt I had to put it on a flame and then washing a pot for like a 5 minute meal is so exhausting. But then this just sets it off. If you can get your mix right and you can do your hot water on point, you don't have a problem. So this is the finished product of our akamu or pap. You can have this with akara or moi moi. I actually wanted to take this today with akara, but I couldn't find akara, so I got my one instead. So I hope you're going to try making akamu. Don't worry if yours doesn't work on the first try. You can always put it on the flame to get the thickness that you desire. I feel like slow romantic music should be playing here. Please hit the subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single view. Please share this video with your friends and let me know what other recipes you want me to try. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I love you. Thank you.